In GGUSD, we are committed to ensuring students are prepared to meet our district's Goal 3, lifelong success. Our Career Technical Education program provides 14 career pathways and gives students the opportunity to gain real-world skills in specialized industries like automotive, medical pathways, and culinary arts.
I really do appreciate all the hands-on stuff, and my favorite class I took for a career pathway was auto. Learning how to unfreeze an engine and what parts it needs to be fixed, it really helped me a lot.
We're excited to launch our 15th career pathway. This coming fall, we will offer a 4-year skilled trades career pathway that will pave the way for success for students interested in industries like carpentry, electrical, plumbing, and welding.
I enjoy all of the different courses you can take here, whether it be like culinary or digital design, and I know a lot of other students do too.
We're so excited to announce new partnerships, including North Orange County Regional Occupational Program and the Western States Carpenters Union, that'll provide students hands-on learning and mentorship from industry leaders and a pre-apprenticeship that will allow students to directly enter a skilled trades apprenticeship program following high school.
The apprenticeships, some run for 4 years. There's a couple that are a little bit more, a little bit less, but within that 4-year time frame, all of our apprentices are coming to school here with us in one of the training centers for 1 week a quarter, and the rest of the time they're in the job, getting the hands-on experience in the field with our contractors. We refer to as earn as you learn because they're making that great money as they're learning the trade at the same time.
We're super excited to partner with Garden Grove because it's all about student opportunities. We really think it's important when we build our curriculum that we give our students every opportunity that they might see in a high-skilled labor market, so that when they do decide to venture into the career world, they have many doors and opportunities that will be open to them because they have a foundation of that skill set.
I'm actually really excited that the CTE programs can be coming to the Garden Grove Unified School District. It's important for high school students to be exposed to the skilled trades, that way they can get a jump start on a career. I know what it's done for me, and I'm looking forward to see what it can do for other students.
They can go into many different trades and crafts right out of high school, such as general carpenters, interior systems. We have pile drivers, millwrights, 4-layers, insulators.
All of our CTE instructors are industry experts right out of the field. They provide that hands-on expertise that our students need to have to be career ready right out of high school.
The skilled trades pathway, I think it'll benefit my future or any other students' futures because you can start thinking about your career as a freshman and not as a senior and think about it last minute.
If a person has the drive and motivation to start right out of high school, they can get an early start on their career and retire in their early 50s. And so how cool is that to be able to withdraw that pension the rest of their lives at such a young age where you still have a good quality life?
We know that the demand in the job market for skilled trades professionals has skyrocketed in recent years and is expected to continue growing over the next decade.
There's so much work on the horizon that now is a perfect time and opportunity to get into the trade.
I think in all of our pathways in North Orange County ROP, the exciting part is seeing our students really build a skill set. They love what value they bring each and every day. You can just see the success on their faces as they learn this high-skilled trade industry, and it's just a delight to see.
We want what all parents want for their children. All students to graduate high school with the option to attend either college or a skilled trade school so they can attain a high-paying career that they find fulfilling and enjoy.
I think this program is really exciting because it would help those like me be able to get a high-paying job right after high school, and that's like the biggest joy you could give somebody.